Welcome to another POV Pare, and today we are taking you through an exclusive tour. But first, let's get our antigen test. And we are here in Poblacion, walking down the streets. It's actually very different from pre-pandemic times. It's all very clean, very neat, with less people, of course. And will you look at that? We have a family member. We actually have a lot here in Poblacion. And as you may guess, we are taking you to Agimat and Ugat, below Agimat. So here is their distillery, which used to be the sake bar. Join us in a bit as Kalel Demetrio gives us a tour of their distillery and presents the launch of their new gin. And here we are. Welcome to Agimat and Ugat. We actually very much love the interior design of this space. It's modern Filipino with a lot of mysticism involved in the concept.
Agimat is basically it's like an old Filipino word charm, but this one, the concept is all about what if that old Filipino charm hugs the whole industrial side of the whole thing, and looking at the future. So yun.
Here we have the canto and the sirena, but also the beautiful bottles of the new line, which is the Agimat Gin, Agimat Vodka, and Gayuma, which is Love Potion in Tagalog. And now we're about to enter the science
We're
lab.
using the rind, and then we're gonna be using that for the Agimat, yung gamit namin. And then like pineapple, we're macerating it one in an infused, and then we're gonna distill that one. We're doing tea we're doing tea. So yun yung spices na. Sorry?
You're fermenting everything.
Yeah, katulad dito, pinaferment ko siya to be a tea, and then if I'm gonna infuse more sugar, it can be another yeast. Ito yung yeast project of using the tepache. So ngayon,
mother yeast.
yeah, meron akong it's just come from the rind. So yung mga yeast niyan, pwede ko rin siyang pan-develop into alcohol and all. So yeah, Agimat Gin is a little special because there's always an ingredient that represents different regions. So 2 from Luzon, 2 from Mindanao, 2 from Visayas. For example, I discovered some ingredients that's about to go extinct. One of those is Yutokon. I found that in Negros, either parang owned by the tribe. It's about to go extinct kasi wala naman nagtatanim. So ito siya pag hinimay mo. And I'm infusing it to have this one. You just have to find the temperature na dito yan. You have to gauge. And on the fractioning column, you can separate different spirit, and then yung pinag-grade ng alcohol mataas dito depende kasi this will turn into vapor, liquid. So parang imagine like turning the first one can be 60, 65, 70, 75. So
We love the spectacle of having or the opportunity to see the actual distillery as you drink your mixes, your gin, as you enjoy them while you're at the dining
there
area.
is not an evaporator, but parang sudo siya in perspective kasi you cook on the temperature using water bath.
Yeah.
Y'all remember that movie Perfume? This is just it.
What a nice bar. You see Brother Kalel in action. What a sexy bottle. Agimat in local Philippine culture is supposed to give you superpowers against the supernatural world.
Boracay yan.
Explain ko lang po yung food.
Okay.
That one po is yung burong maliputo or freshwater trevally. It's a fermented fish. Freshwater trevally was for aged from Taalik in Batangas. Yes po, yung nasa top po is kadyos, and then meron po siyang onion, and then tomato. And then yung fermented fish, and then underneath
we were given a cocktail kit to play around with. It had this some ornaments which they call pansitan. It's actually a flavor enhancer, locally grown from a suburban farm. So here we had the choice of juniper berries, some ornaments, some spices, adding the immaculate Agimat gin with ice, juniper, and tonic water if you wanted it on top.
So that's Kayuma. So in front of you is Kayuma. It's a liquor, guys. So it's a big. First, our base is a.
And part of the trifecta of spirits is Gayuma. Look at that. It looks like a potion, a secret potion from their laboratory. So Poblacion at night, this was around 9-ish. Looks like a scene from Kill Bill. The deadly alleys, waiting for a triad member to say hi and drink with you. Come and join us for the next adventure, the Pobla adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.